Ciao a tutti. Hello, everyone. In this presentation, I will be talking about the irregular verbs of the present tense in Italian. As we learned from the previous presentation, in Italian, verbs are divided into three groups or conjugations. The verbs ending with are, such as parlare, to speak, those ending with ere, such as leggere, to read, and those ending with ire, such as dormire, to sleep. We also said that to form the present tense of the regular forms, we simply remove the endings are, ere, ire from the infinitive, and we simply add the endings of the present tense, like the example shows. And so to form the verb parlare, for example, if I want to say I speak, I removed from the stem, I removed the ending are, and so I have the stem parle, and then I simply add the ending o, which refers to the first singular person. And so parlo means I speak. However, this rule does not apply to the irregular forms, as we will see in this presentation. So let's have a look at the irregular forms. Surely among the most used irregular verbs, we have the verbs essere, to be, and avere, to have. In this slide, you can see the whole conjugation. Sono, sei, è. Siamo, siete, sono. Ho, hai, ha, abbiamo, avete, hanno. Be aware that avere in Italian is used to express the age. And so whereas in English you would use the verb to be to say I am 20 years old, in Italian we would use avere. And so we translate it as ho 20 anni. Also, if I want to say I'm hungry or, for example, I'm thirsty, in Italian we would use also avere. Ho fame, ho sete. Let's have a look at more irregular forms. As you can see in this presentation, the stem of the conjugated verbs is irregular with respect to the infinitive form, such as in the verb fare, to do, to make. We can see that the stem becomes faccio, fai, fa, facciamo, fate, fanno. In this slide, you can find some of the most used irregular verbs that need to be learned by heart. So we've got the verb fare, andare, to go, stare, to stay. And for the second conjugation, we've got bere, to drink, and rimanere, to stay. For the conjugation ending with ire, we've got uscire and venire. Of course, there are many other verbs, irregular verbs, but these ones are among the most used one. So review the slides at your own pace to learn these verbs, and do not forget to take the quizzes to do some practice. Thank you for listening.